some legal advice but can't afford an attorney, there are some local events offering free assistance you may want to know about.
News 5's Rebecca Pepin tells us where to find them.
These events are open to everyone in Southwest Virginia, but veterans, along with first responders, are getting a special invitation. John Lentz was a dentist in the Navy, serving in the Mediterranean for 2 years aboard an aircraft carrier, the USS Nimitz.
I was in the Navy and I was an officer and I was on board a ship. I had a pretty nice military experience.
But for some, serving can be traumatic.
If I would have been in the military, the Marines, the Army, and I had to fight, see my friends be killed, I think that would weigh heavily on my mind for the rest of my life. And I think that if I needed some help, I needed some counseling, I'd like to know where I could get it.
Assistance can come in many forms as a returning veteran works to get things in order as they move on to the next chapter. And when that involves legal issues, things can get complicated.
The legal system can be hard to navigate. Why are events like this so important?
It's very convoluted and complicated and requires a good understanding to navigate it. And so them coming to us just allows them that opportunity to do so.
Attorney Lakin Schuler adds the extra help is particularly important in our region.
We have a lower number of lawyers than the average area across the country, and so just access to lawyers in general is hard to come by in some ways.
That's where the Southwest Virginia Legal Aid Society comes in, offering free legal advice for residents, keeping veterans at the forefront of the mission.
You know, they do so much for our country, obviously, and sometimes they're left behind.
The free legal advice events cover things like housing rights, estate planning, family law, and an issue that directly affects those who've served.
Denial of benefits from another agency, so we go to bat for them, and we go to talk to those agencies and try to negotiate and figure out where and how we can get those benefits back reinstated.
A chance to give back to those who have given so much.
I think it's wonderful. I really think it's wonderful.
Here's a look at the upcoming free legal advice events happening in Southwest Virginia. They're going on in Scott and Russell counties, and they're happening in Abingdon. We have all the information on our website, along with free legal advice events that are going on in Tennessee. Just head to WCYB.com for all the information.